As you can see, this is an algae formed on top. That means we've got our probiotics ready. This is eucalyptus and oregano. Find this one. Finally, we've got a blender. We've got a cruise on our house, meaning you can have a blender because it uses electricity. You can use a manual blender, but this electric one is going to make the work so easily. It's going to make my work so easy because every time I will be blending my things, like this is now eucalyptus, and blending it will take me just a few seconds, just a few minutes. When I blend this, it becomes better because I will have to ferment it after blending it, and the fermenting blended things becomes easy for fermenting. When we get our plants, what we do first is to wash them. Finally, we have blended everything and we are going to put in the bucket. We are only going to add in very little maize blend, very little like this. Well, it feeds. This bucket is small, only 20 liters of water. I mean, this bucket is only 20 liters capacity. So put in a little maize bland like this, so that the bacteria, when it is forming, it eats this. Then we shall add in just 2 spoons of sugar, and that will be enough for it. 20 liters. You only need this. Only 2 spoons of sugar. Of course, 2 spoons are as big as this. So that the bacteria in here feeds on that. We are making what we call probiotics. You can use either molasses, sugar, or maize bland. All this will support the bacteria that is growing in here. When that bacteria is in the feed, and any bacteria that comes out from the outside the bud, because this one is not the inside of the bud, this one will fight for it. This is what we call boosting the immune system of a bud. So we keep this one under the shade for the next 4 to 5 days, so that it is not hit by the sun. It's going to grow under normal conditions. That's what we call room temperature. So we keep it in here. Because this is the store for feeds. Shall keep it here for the next 4 to 5 days. As you can see, this is an algae formed on top. That means we have got our probiotics ready. This is Eucalyptus and Oregano together. This is a herbal remedy for cough and flu. The major plant here is Eucalyptus. As you can see in here, of course, you can't have the smell from that side, but the smell is so strong. Please, if you have been having a lot of cough and flu in your chickens, this is the remedy. I'm going to mix a ratio of 1:10. That means 10 liters of water with 1 liter of this one. That means this one, which is about 10 liters, will mix how many? That's 10 jerry cans. You can see this is really loved by the birds. You look at them, they're taking it. They don't have any problem with the eucalyptus, which is not very bitter. But the good thing, it is good for flu, cough, and everything around it. So, this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe. And if you have been here, share these videos. We want people to go organic. Go organic. You get more eggs, you get no medicine bought, and your birds will live a healthy life. You can see. They are taking it.